One of the things we have recognized when clients start working with us, that very few of them have a structured sales or conversion process. They've got and won work, usually out of default, not by design, and that's usually winging it, just going with the flow, and there's nothing inherently wrong with that. However, if you'd like to win more work or better quality work at higher margins, what we found is most important is you create a structured process, just like a recipe, to give you a consistent, predictable, and repeatable outcome. And the great thing is, by having a process or a recipe, is that if you don't win the work, you can always go back and have a look at the steps that you've created and usually identified where one of the steps has been skipped, rushed through, or maybe several have been missed altogether. So what we've done is we've done a bit of heavy lifting for you, and we've created a little step-by-step process if you've got a service and maintenance business. Now, this isn't the only way, but at least it gives you a structure to start with and a process that you can follow. And with each of those steps, you can flush them out to be even more in detail or less detail as well. So if you'd like a copy of the sales process that we've created for you and you're in the service and maintenance industry, please put your details in the location below and we'll make sure we get that to you as quickly as possible. And again, if you'd like some support in implementing that or modifying it for your business, please be in touch.